Hello, Ashagi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, hit me.
Do you use Taxify?
I dey enter Taxify anytime I wan go Greece to the like this. I go balance for Taxify. You understand? Because since I sit down for back, I spread like a wildfire.
Do you know that Taxify and Emirates Holidays are taking 2 persons who use Taxify to Dubai this holiday for an all-expense paid trip?
All express pay too. Okay, when express you go pass go Dubai. Ibadan expressway.
That's not what I meant.
What do you mean?
I mean, they'll pay for everything. All you need to do is share an exciting story about your Taxify experience and use the hashtag #BecauseITaxify, and 2 persons with the highest engagement wins.
Wait, you know me now. When I go carry me go Dubai, well, my story will get about 1 to 5. Oh yeah, I go even do return of 35. Because you both say what? The Dubai going of a 35 Emirates holiday is a balanced equation. Yeah.
Hang it.